Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget. So finally this is here. We have the OnePlus 6 and it is a flagship phone of OnePlus and it has a lot of features. Now we have the 6GB variant. So let's just unbox it and let's see what's inside the OnePlus 6. So it has the typical box of OnePlus 6. Let's take out the cover. So here's the phone. So it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty, like really pretty. So yeah, if I take out the phone, let's take out the upper deck and let's see what's inside. Okay, we have the dash charger, so that's a good thing, along with the Type-C USB cable. So it has dash charging as well, and yeah, it charges really quick. Around in 1 hour you can get from 0 to 100. So let's take out the phone and let's see. So this is the phone and you can see it's really shiny. Okay, we have the mirror black finish and it has a black glass back, so it's really shiny, and probably you will like have to put a cover, otherwise you will have like fingerprints and stuff like that. So I'll be putting a cover obviously, and it looks pretty neat. The vertical cameras look good and the fingerprint sensor looks a little bit smaller. Anyways, we'll test it. Now let's see what's inside this box. So yeah, we have a cover. Yeah, I think it's a cover. So let me just pull it out. Yeah, it's a cover and it's a pretty good cover, I think. So maybe I can put this cover itself or some other cover. So it looks pretty good and I think it will last. It seems durable cover. Let's see what else we have. We have the manual of OnePlus. So as you can see, this is the manual, and also there's a SIM ejection tool along with that. So yeah, this is the OnePlus manual. So yeah, I'm not gonna read it, I'll just keep it aside. Along with that, the warranty details and stuff like that. Let's keep all of these things aside. And yeah, there's a sticker as well of OnePlus, so never settle. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's see the phone now. Okay, let's switch on the phone and see. So the OxygenOS is loading. And yeah, the initial impressions looks good. It has the notch, but it's small notch, but it looks good. We'll put an initial impressions video as well. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty neat, and it looks really stylish as well. The OxygenOS is good. The mirror back finish is really good. The fingerprint sensor also really fast. And initially, like, I thought the camera is really good compared to like all the other cameras of this range. Even you can compare it with Pixel and other phones of high range as well. So it has OxygenOS and it has 8.1 Oreo as well. So yeah, it has just got an update as well as soon as I took it out of the box. So I have updated it as well. So yeah, that's it guys. This is the quick review and unboxing of OnePlus 6. I hope that you have liked this video. If you have, please leave a like and also share with your friends and subscribe to Gadget for more such videos. So until next time, bye bye.